Hey friends, I realized that the light that illuminates this is out. And I didn't even realize it. I have no idea how long it's been out, but I wanted to make sure that it was illuminated in case my wife ever drives the vehicle. So what I did was I ordered a Sylvania 2721 part. These are really tiny. And what I'm going to have to do is take off this and change that bulb, because initially I thought it was a fuse, but it's not a fuse. And so what you have to do is the following. It's messy here, so I'm going to clean that up too. Put this up as high as you can. That's where it's supposed to be. This you're going to put all the way back, right there. And then the hardest part that I've heard is getting rid of this. Not getting rid of it, but pulling it off. So let's see if we can make that happen. All right, let's see if we can make this happen. Oh God! That's... Okay. There we go. Oh, okay. Hopefully, that was the most difficult part of the whole thing. So, once this is removed, then you can go up underneath. You want to make sure that it's warm and not frozen. Now, it's an ice storm right now for me, but it's warm enough that I'm not going to break the plastic. So you reach up underneath and you pull. Okay. There we go. Up over here. There we go. Got it. Okay. And the reason you wanted this to be up here is to give you room to do that. Okay. Now that we've moved this, get that out of the way for a second. I'm going to show you where this bulb is. Okay, now, what we're looking for, green and white wires right there. Grab a hold of it, you'll feel it, it's plastic. Twist it to the left, and then pull it out. Like this. Twist to the left, pull it out. Sweet. Okay, there's the bulb that's burnt out, and I'm going to replace it. Now this should just pop right out. I can't really see from here. Oh, yeah. Pops right out. Okay, so then we switch it. And I'm just going to pop it right back in. It's in. Now, the goal is put it right back in where it came from. All right, moment of truth. Let's see if that lights up. Yes. Okay. Now what we're going to do is we're going to put it back in there. Sweet. That's good news. Okay. Slides in, and then you have to twist it to the right, and then it's locked in. Oh, that worked out pretty easily. Now what I'm going to do is put the rest of this back on. And hopefully it'll all go back on nice and easy. But I'm going to clean it first since I'm here. Alright, it's a little bit too cold to give it a good full cleaning. But it's better than it was. So, put it back. Probably, let's do this. We'll get it over this. Get it over that shifter. And... sure, there we are. Just a little bit, not bad. Okay. I bet if we hit it hard, it'll work. There we go. And then we put this knob back on. Make sure it's going in the right direction. And I hope it's easier than pulling it off. You just hit it. And that should have fixed the problem. Sweet. Thanks for watching.